Hello, what's up? Ali here, and on this video, we will show you how to download and use Netflix on a jailbroken PS4. And later on the video, we'll also share how to use it on an updated PS4. There are actually two ways to install Netflix on our jailbroken PS4. For this, we'll have to be connected to the internet. So I would strongly recommend to disable your updates if you plan to use Netflix or any other streaming devices on your jailbroken PS4 to prevent updates and preserve your jailbreak. Currently, I am using the ESP automatic jailbreak, but I will go ahead and reset my host so that we can disable our updates and be connected online at the same time. So go to the network and set up internet connection. Use whatever connection you want to use, then choose custom. Then on the DNS settings, use manual and use this DNS. Then let us go to the browser and reset our host. Then go to this website. Just choose 9.00 new to load the latest gold hand. And once you are on this part, you can disable the updates by clicking on this tab, Disable Updates. Doing this will make sure your jailbroken PS4 is safe from any major updates, even when streaming online. Now let us go ahead and open our homebrew store. From here, just go to the store groups, then media. And here you will see the Netflix and all other streaming platforms that is available for your jailbroken PS4. And to download, just click on the application and download and install. Now, if you are having any issues with the Netflix from the homebrew store, I would strongly recommend to just simply download the NoPSN PKG version. You will find the link on our description, so just open the link, then click on this part. Then here, to download. Now let us go ahead and transfer this to our USB thumb drive or external hard drive formatted with either exFAT or FAT32. Then let us go ahead and just transfer this on the root of our hard drive. Now let us insert this to our PS4 and install our Netflix. Just go to the golden settings, debug settings, and package installer, and install the Netflix. Now we can go ahead and open Netflix. From here, just log in your account and just enjoy your Netflix or any other streaming platforms on your jailbroken PS4 as usual.
Drive safe, okay?
Okay.
お前がいつまで流浪になどと言ってられるか。地獄の淵で見ててやるよ。
3 entire bags of Funyuns?
Funyuns are awesome.
God.
I don't want it for me.
How about something with some protein, maybe? Something green, huh?
Ah, man.
Now let us go ahead and show you how we can do this on an updated PS4. For this, we can find our Netflix in the PSN store, so make sure you have a PSN account. If you don't have one yet, I will just leave a link on our description on how to create and manage your PSN accounts on your updated PS4. Just search and download Netflix or whatever streaming platforms that you want to use on your PS4. So this will be it for now. If you have any questions, suggestions, or you encounter any issues, just go ahead and share them on our comment section and I will definitely address them. And again, my name is Ali. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe and I will definitely see you on our next video. Bye-bye.